Automatically, when you are facing problems like this, what you have to do to fix this problem is by using the common method. So this common method is by tapping on your power button for some while, tap on restart, then tap OK to restart your device or to reboot your device. When you restart or reboot your device and this problem is not fixing, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, what you have to do is to just tap on it to open it. After that, tap on network and internet. Tap on mobile network, select the network you're using. Then after that, scroll a little bit, tap on advanced, tap on preferred network and select this 4G and 3G, 2G or 2. After doing this, go to Google Play Store and try to update the app. So when you have the latest updates, just tap on the update over here to get the latest update of this app. After doing this, just restart your device once more to see whether it will work. So when it's still not working, what you have to do is to search for the app, then you tap on it for some while, then tap over here. When you get to the app info, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on a clear cache. Go back, and sometimes you have to also tap on permissions to check the permissions whether or is allowed. When it's not allowed, you have to allow it. After that, you go back, then you tap on notifications. You have to also make sure this show notification is turned on to get latest messages or emails from them. So after that, go back, then after that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is turned on. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart to restart your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video.